Very good morning, students. Welcome to the psychology classroom. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are working hard toward your studies. Okay, with this, I'm going to start my class for today. Okay, firstly, I should provide you the detail. So, the date is 31/12/2021. Class 12C. Subject psychology. I think all the details are properly visible to you all. Date, class and subject. We are doing the revision. We are doing the revision of the chapter Psychological Disorder. In this chapter, so many things we have discussed, children. I discussed with you schizophrenia. Up to the schizophrenia, I had discussed with you. Now today in this video, I am going to discuss with you some neurodevelopmental disorder. As it indicated from the name, neurodevelopmental disorder. So obviously it is a disorder which is related to the neuro, means neuron, the nervous system, related to the brain, and somewhere it is related to the development. It is a disorder which is related to the development. The problem which are faced by the children during their developmental period is come under this disorder. So let's study about this disorder. This disorder can also be known as behavioral development disorder. Behavioral development disorder. Behavioral development disorder. Neurodevelopment disorder, neurodevelopmental disorder या behavioral development disorder आप कह सकते हैं. Neurodevelopmental disorder और behavioral development disorder. Understood? Both are the names are correct. Now the question arises, what are the things which come under the behavioral developmental disorder? Okay, क्या क्या चीजें इसमें आएंगी? The first thing which came is ADHD. ADHD. The full form of ADHD is Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder. Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder. ADHD. Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder. It clearly indicates from the name itself also what are the things which come under this one. So the first point is there is deficit or lack of attention. There is deficit or lack of attention. Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder. डेफिसिट और लैक ऑफ अटेंशन. अटेंशन की डेफिसिट होती है या यू कैन से दैट देयर इज अ लैकिंग ऑफ अटेंशन अंडर दिस डिसऑर्डर. द चाइल्ड इज अनएबल टू फोकस ऑन any stimulus for longer period of time. They are unable to sustain their attention. So there is a deficit in attention. Second is they are very hyperactive. Hyperactive means or hyper talkative. डेफिसिट की कमी होती है, हाइपर एक्टिव होते हैं या हाइपर टॉकेटिव होते हैं. दे टॉक एक्सेसिव. दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. आई शुड राइट डाउन हियर ऑल्सो. Then third is they are very impulsive. Impulsive means quickly lose control. Quickly lose control. They are very much impulsive. डेफिसिट होती है, लैक ऑफ अटेंशन होता है, हाइपर एक्टिव होते हैं और इम्पल्सिव होते हैं. दे आर वेरी मच इम्पल्सिव, क्विकली लूज कंट्रोल. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एन ADHD child. This is a disorder which is common among children. It is very much commonly found among the children. ये बच्चों में ज्यादा पाया जाता है. Now moving to the next behavioral and developmental disorder apart from the ADHD. The second behavioral developmental disorder is autism. Autism. The child who suffer from autism, they are known as autistic child. They are known as autistic child. characteristics of the autism? The child who is suffering from autism, they want to be alone. They want to be alone. Isolated. They want to be alone, isolated. Do not like to interact. Do not like to interact with the person. Do not like to interact with the person. Want to be alone, isolated. Do not like to interact with the person. Okay? Is it clear? Want to be alone, isolated, do not like to interact with the person. Want to be alone, isolated, do not like to interact with the person. Very less talkative. बात बहुत कम करते हैं ऐसे बच्चे. ठीक है? Autistic child. So these are some of the characteristics and the features of the autism. Please revise it and keep it in your mind for a longer period of time. Now moving to the next neuro or the behavioral developmental disorder. The one we have discussed ADHD, the second we have discussed autism. The third disorder which is very common among this one is eating disorder. This is also very prevalent among the children and especially in the adolescents. Eating disorder. This is also categorized into three parts: anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and the last is binge eating. Anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, binge eating. These are the three kinds of eating disorder which is very prevalent among the children and among the adolescents. Anorexia nervosa is a disorder where the people used to eat less, and bulimia they eat more. Binge eating is an out of control eating. Binge eating is an out of control eating. Anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, binge eating. This is a disorder when the child used to eat less. The child and the adolescents usually have to be look good. They want to be slim and fit, and due to that they avoid eating the food. They leave their meals. वो अपने meals को they skip their meals. Due to that, they may have some other diseases also. They suffer from other diseases also, and these things happen to them. They sometimes vomit also. Okay, not to consume the food. So these are the things happening in the anorexia nervosa. Second is the bulimia, where they eat lot of food and they do not have any kind of control over it. They eat it, and they become fatty and suffering from obesity problem, which is also becoming very common among the child. Binge eating is something out of control eating where they are susceptible to so many kind of disease, and they are unable to control over their eating pattern, and these all things happening with them. I hope the third behavioral or developmental disorder you all understood. Now moving to the next neurodevelopmental disorder is fourth is mental retardation. Mental retardation. Which is also known as intellectual deficiency. Mental retardation is also known as intellectual deficiency. Mental retardation is also known as intellectual deficiency. Means deficit in intelligence level. Deficit in intelligence level. Now, whom we call the mental retarded? The child who is suffering from mental retardation, we call them mentally retarded child or intellectually deficient child. हम उन्हें बोलते हैं. पर हम ये किसे बोलेंगे? तो there is an IQ range. So whose IQ is below 70. Whose IQ is below 70, we call them, they are intellectually deficient. Their intelligence level is very low. Now this mental retardation is also categorized into some levels, that is mild, moderate, severe and profound. Mild, moderate, severe and profound. Mild mental retardation. Moderate mental retardation. Severe mental retardation. Profound mental retardation. So these are the four levels under the MR: mild, moderate, severe, profound. We are going to discuss about what is the functioning under the mild mental retarded child, the moderate, severe and profound. Firstly, you note it down. I hope you all have noted it down. So firstly is mild mental retardation. There are some criteria which I am going to discuss with you, that is becoming more better. Now I had told you that mental retardation is also known as intellectual deficiency, and whose IQ is below 70, so they are considered to be mentally retarded. That I had discussed with you. Now, how you are going to define the mental retardation? Okay, so there is a definition which defines the mental retardation. According to AAMD, means American Association of Mental Deficiency. According to AAMD, American Association of Mental Deficiency, अमेरिकन एसोसिएशन ऑफ मेंटल डेफिशिएंसी ने मेंटल रिटार्डेशन को डिफाइन किया है दैट मेंटल रिटार्डेशन इज एन mental retardation is a sub-average mental retardation is a sub-average intellectual functioning. Mental retardation is a sub-average intellectual functioning. Mental retardation is a sub-average intellectual functioning. Again, I am repeating, mental retardation is a sub-average intellectual functioning. Deficit in adaptive behavior. Deficit in adaptive behavior and manifested during developmental period. Manifested during developmental period, that is 0 to 18 years of age. So basically this is the definition of mental retardation which is given by the AAMD, American Association of Mental Deficiency. They had defined mental retardation that what is mental retardation? It is a sub-average, means average से below intellectual functioning होती है, deficit होती है adaptive behavior में, they are unable to adapt with the situation properly, maladaptive behavior होता है, malfunctioning behavior होता है, and this is something which is shown in their developmental period. It is shown in their developmental period. If any child is suffering from mental retardation, it clearly comes into their developmental period which is 0 to 18. Up to the 18 ये developmental period होता है और इस period में पता चल जाता है कि क्या IQ level है या क्या problem है. So this is a definition which is given by the AAMD. So here in this video I had discussed with you what are the behavioral and developmental disorder and what are the neurodevelopmental disorder I had discussed with you. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. You all understand it? this properly. Okay. Thank you so much, children, for carefully listening and observing this video.